Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Projects. I know it's been a while since my last video, but today we're going over some quick maintenance on the Honda HRX lawnmower. It's a really popular lawnmower, and the maintenance is really easy on it. If you have one, this is not something that you necessarily have to go to a shop for. You could probably do it yourself in about 5 minutes at home. All you need is an air filter, a spark plug, and a container of oil. Honda sells these. You can get them on Amazon. They actually sell a whole kit containing all three parts for this mower on Amazon. So the oil capacity that you need is exactly what's in this container. I will post an affiliate link for you in the description below. So let's get started. So anytime you're working on a small engine, just some quick safety stuff. It's really easy just to turn off the fuel. The fuel valve for this mower is right behind the air filter. So what you want it to be is in the vertical position. This is off. Also, you can find the spark plug in the front. If you just get a good grip on the spark plug wire, you can pull it off easily, and this will prevent the engine from firing up accidentally. Okay, just like that, it's off. To change the air filter on this, there's a plastic housing on the front left of the mower. There's two push tabs on the front. On the top of the housing rather, I'm sorry. You just push down on these and the housing will come right off. I've had this mower for about 2 years. I have neglected the maintenance on this. I haven't changed the air filter yet. This one is a bit dusty. We are going to take the new one out of the package. And it sits just like so. The fins do point out, they do not fit into the housing, and this will just clip right back on like so. Easy. All right, so as demonstrated a little bit earlier, the spark plug can be found right here on the front of the mower. This is torqued to 14 foot-pounds, and to get this out and replace it, you will need a 21 millimeter spark plug socket. All right, so changing the oil on this is probably the most annoying part. Here I just have an oil catch pan, and I have a few planks of wood that I use just to hold it up off the ground so that it's pitched the right way. You'll see how I get this set up here. There's a bunch of different ways you could do this with cinder blocks or bricks, but this is just what I have laying around, so it's a little easy for me to do it like this. All right, so now that I'm done fumbling around with this, getting it up on its side, it is fairly secure. I can give this a good shake. It's not going anywhere. Don't forget to remove your drain, the plug for your drain pan. All you gotta do then is just unscrew your oil cap. And we'll just give that a few minutes to drain. While you have the mower in this position, it is a good opportunity to check the underside and make sure the blades are looking good. If you need to see how to change those, you can see one of my prior videos. Make sure it's clean and there's no obvious signs of damage or anything like that. So one thing I realized I didn't have set up properly when I started draining the oil is that when you tip this onto its side, you want it to be pretty well 90 degrees. If you tip it beyond that, some of the oil can get caught up in the engine and it may not drain fully. So just make sure that when you have it tilted over like this, or even if you do it by hand, that you're fairly at 90 degrees. You don't want to tip it over too far or else it won't drain completely. Once you get your lawnmower back upright again, if you're using this particular oil container, you can put the entire container in. The manual says that these mowers take about 12 to 13 and a half ounces of the SAE 10W30 engine oil. Like I said, this does come as a part of a kit for these. I believe at the time of making this, around $30 for everything all included. But don't quote me on that. Just click the link, like I said, in the description below, and it'll have everything you need. So you should be fairly safe just to pour this whole thing right in. I would, though, recommend just checking it every once in a while to make sure that you're not going to overfill. Still not yet on the dipstick. All right, there you go. We got the correct amount of oil in the dipstick. You should be ready to go for the next season. Thanks for watching. If you found this video, please like and subscribe.